Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix your lock screen not responding. You are stuck on a screen, a welcome screen. It's freezing when you try to drag your mouse, or when you try to sign in, it doesn't work. So in order to fix this, you can try this method. So the first thing to try is simple restart, or press Ctrl Alt Delete to bring up the sign in screen. So if that doesn't work, you can try to booting into safe mode, check for updates, or even performing a power drain by unplugging your computer, holding down the power button for a few seconds to reset the system. So here, basic restart, press the power button on your computer and select restart, or you can use this keyboard shortcut Ctrl Alt Delete to access the login screen. So this is, for example, this is the lock screen, and try to hold Ctrl Alt Delete, and here we go. Now you can sign in. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.